Hi, I'm Bernard Lawrence at JLL. I've been in this business for over 20 years, helping organizations create incredible workspaces where employees can be happy and productive. There was an opportunity at Averna to create a more modern, dynamic, and efficient work environment that would ensure the productivity of employees.
I'm François Rainville. I'm the CEO of Averna. Averna is a system integrator in testing quality solutions for product manufacturers globally. We went from a startup of 3 guys in an apartment to 1,100 people in 11 countries. So you can see a great history of growth through acquisition and integration of different companies and teammates around the globe.
Averna had very unique space requirements. JLL really took the time to understand our needs in order to help deliver on its promises.
My role was to help manage the project from beginning to end. It was a very challenging project from a technical perspective, but working with Lori and her team made it a lot easier.
Since we are here, we see a lot of collaboration with people. We see also a lot of people coming back to the office. When I came the first time, it was very, very emotional. Because it's a big deal to change after 25 years. Yeah, you're not recording now.
One of the fun facts that I would like to share with you about the new office is the long hallway towards the cafeteria. So when you cross path with a colleague at the end of the hallway, you got a good 2 minutes of trying to make eye contact or not. Do you say hi now or do you wait till you cross paths? I think it's just a fun fact that we like.
Our offices are really big and modern and bright, so it's really cool to work here. Our cafeteria is also great. We have huge tables where we can have some nice time with our colleagues eating together. Also with the new ping pong tables that we can have some tournaments, so that's great.
One thing that really stands out is the lighting here, especially in the labs. A lot of places where I worked before, going to the lab is kind of like climbing into a cave. So, it's being able to work with all the natural light that makes a big difference, especially when you're doing long hours.
I would say the most meaningful impact is our ability now to execute a project from beginning to end in one area, which is the new enlarged lab.
So everything has been designed so that people have their own space to do specific activity. We also have a vision room, machine room, a 3D printed room.
In the past, our logistics and shipping department was in the first floor and the operations was on the 5th floor. Now we're on the same floor. Everything is much better and easier.
It's much better adapted, I think, to what we do here. We have more space for more projects, but it's also an open space. So for bigger projects, bigger systems, it makes a huge difference. And I mean, apart from that, it just looks so good. And that's a big plus when you come into work in the morning and you're just in a really nice space. It's great.
We really achieved a precedent-setting transaction with Averna. I'm certain that the employees will be productive, happy in the years to come in this space. I simply hope that they'll save me a small workstation that I can work at when I come by to visit.
I'd say even if we're 25 years old, the journey has just begun. Let's do it.